In this video, we listed the 16 best bike gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Pexmore Kit. The Pexmore Kit is a conversion kit designed to upgrade a standard 26 bicycle into an e-bike by replacing the wheel, or adding a powered wheel, and adding the motor controller, throttle, PAS system, and battery indicator. It's specified for a 48V system with a 1200W peak brushless hub motor. It supports a twist throttle as well as pedal assist system, PAS, so you can ride partially or fully powered. Key features and claims. Power and speed. The motor is marketed as 1200W and the manufacturer claims a top speed around 36.6 miles per hour, almost equals 59 km/h, under optimal conditions. Wheel compatibility. 26 wheel size is supported. The kit is intended to fit standard bicycle frames with appropriate dropout width. Controller. The kit comes with an upgraded 3-mode controller, throttle, PAS, manual, and is described as a sine wave controller, which may mean reduced noise, vibration. Modes, multiple ride modes, throttle only, pedal assist, manual, etc. Allows flexibility in how much electric assist you use. Battery indicator. The listing mentions an included battery indicator, helpful for monitoring remaining charge. Product 2. Product name, ILM Adult Bike Helmet. Here's an overview of the ILM Adult Bike Helmet E3-10L in the context of your interests: outdoor gear, cycling accessories, durability, etc. Key features and what stands out. The helmet is designed for both mountain and road cycling, for men and women, with a unisex style. It features USB rechargeable LED lights mounted front and back. This is a notable safety feature for low light or dawn, dusk cycling. It includes a removable goggle, shield, or visor, which adds wind, bug protection and works well for mixed terrain rides. The build is reported as a high-density PC shell, polycarbonate, for durability, per product description. The helmet offers size adjustability, stretching to accommodate different head sizes comfortably. In review summaries, adjustability has been positively cited. Product 3. Product name, Mini Bike Tire Pump with Gauge. The Mini Bike Tire Pump with Gauge is a compact and highly efficient air inflator designed for cyclists who value portability and performance. The tiny pump Mini Bike Tire Pump delivers up to 120 psi of pressure, making it suitable for both road and mountain bike tires. Equipped with an integrated pressure gauge and an auto-stop function, it ensures precise inflation without the risk of overfilling. Its Type-C rechargeable battery provides reliable power for multiple uses on a single charge, while the inclusion of both Prester and Schrader valve compatibility adds versatility for different types of bikes. Despite its small size, this portable electric bicycle air pump combines smart technology with durable construction, making it an ideal tool for on-the-go tire maintenance and emergency roadside repairs. Product 4. Product name, Alter Apex. The Alter Apex is a premium folding bike lock built by Alter. According to the manufacturer, it features hardened steel components and rivet caps for protection against power tools. A disc detainer lock mechanism, aimed at being more pick-resistant. A patented slim folding design so that it can fold down compactly for transport. Weight around 2.4 pounds, 1.05 kg, and a fully extended length of about 30.5 inches, 77 cm. A modular design, you can combine multiple Apex locks end-to-end, or buy a double Apex, for greater reach. Product 6. Product name, Astro AI L7. The Astro AI L7 is a cordless, compact tire inflator, air compressor designed for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls and other inflatables. According to the manufacturer, it offers up to 150 psi maximum pressure, with an airflow of 17 L/minute. It includes a built-in rechargeable battery, 4000 mAh, so it can be used without being constantly tethered to a vehicle. It features a digital, dual values display, meaning it shows real-time and preset target pressure, and an LED light, flashlight feature for low-light use. Modes for different uses: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and a custom mode, and supports multiple pressure units, PSI, bar, kpar, kilogram, cm squared. Product 7. Product name: Neckrash Duck Bike Bell. The Neckrash Duck Bike Bell is a whimsical handlebar accessory designed for bikes, and even scooters or strollers, that combines a cute rubber duck motif with added features like an LED light and a small propeller. According to the product description, it has a duck bike bell design with 12 lumen yellow lights and a 45 dB sound when you press or pinch the duck's tail. The propeller on the helmet part rotates with wind, i.e., when you ride. It is mounted via a silicone or rubber band on the handlebar, no tools required for installation. Material: rubber body. Size: approximately 2.6 times 2.2 times 2.36, approximate 6.6 by 5.6 by 6 centimeters. Product 8. Product name: Rock Bros Bike Phone Front Frame Bag. This is a compact cycling accessory designed to mount on the front frame, top tube, head tube area of a bike. It's branded by Rock Bros and offers a dedicated compartment for a smartphone, compatible with phones under 7 inches. A water-resistant or waterproof body, fabric, sealed zippers, so you can ride in variable weather with some protection for your phone and small items. A clear touch-sensitive window on the phone compartment, so you can use your phone for navigation, maps while it stays protected. Additional storage space, small tools, keys, an energy gel, a wallet, etc. As one listing says, holds, phone, battery, energy gel, small tire pump, repair kits, keys, wallet, etc. Attachment via straps, typically hook and loop, Velcro, to the bike's top tube and head tube, intended for secure fit even on bumpy roads. Product 9. Product name: SY Bicycle Speedometer. The SY Bicycle Speedometer and odometer is a wireless, waterproof cycle computer designed to enhance your riding experience with precise performance tracking and user-friendly operation. Featuring a clear LCD display, this compact device provides real-time data such as current speed, average speed, maximum speed, trip distance, total mileage, and riding time. Its wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, while the waterproof construction ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. Ideal for both casual riders and cycling enthusiasts, the SY Speedometer helps users monitor and improve their cycling performance efficiently. With easy installation and intuitive controls, it's a practical, durable, and smart accessory for any type of bicycle. Product 10. Product name: Unit 1 Aura Hybrid Smart Bike Helmet. The Unit 1 Aura Hybrid Smart Bike Helmet represents a cutting-edge fusion of safety, technology, and comfort for urban and road cyclists. Designed as a hybrid helmet, it incorporates MIPS, multidirectional impact protection system, for superior brain protection in case of accidents. Its standout feature is the integrated LED front and rear lighting system, which enhances visibility, while turn and brake lights, controllable via a compatible remote, ensure clear signaling to other road users. The helmet also offers crash alert functionality, instantly notifying emergency contacts in the event of a fall. Lightweight yet ventilated, it ensures a comfortable ride even on longer journeys. Fully certified for e-bike use, the Unit 1 Aura seamlessly pairs with its dedicated app, allowing riders to customize lighting patterns, monitor helmet activity, and stay connected, all while maintaining a sleek, urban-ready design. Product 11. Product name: Hestia 2 Pcs Bike Mirror. The Hestia 2 Pcs Bike Mirror is a practical and safety-focused accessory for cyclists seeking better visibility on both mountain and road bikes. Designed for easy installation, these mirrors feature a 360-degree adjustable and rotatable design, allowing riders to customize their view for maximum safety on busy streets or trails. The mirrors are made from shockproof acrylic convex material, providing a wide-angle view while remaining durable against vibrations and impacts. Ideal for enhancing awareness and preventing accidents, the Hestia mirrors combine functionality, durability, and flexibility, making them a must-have accessory for cycling enthusiasts who prioritize both safety and convenience. Product 12. Product name Pcs Swivel Bike Wall Mount. It's a wall-mounted bike rack, hanger designed to hold your bike vertically, hooking the front wheel, resting the back wheel on a stabilizer, so the bike is off the floor and out of the way. It features a 150-degree swivel design, via a bearing system, so once mounted you can rotate the bike left or right, or flush against the wall, to optimize space in A. The build is heavy-duty steel, coated, and it claims a capacity of up to 66 pounds, almost equal to 30 kilograms. Comes with mounting hardware suitable for wood studs or masonry, concrete. Installation is promoted as simple, 5-minute installation. Product 13. Product name 8-Pack Bicycle Accessories. Upgrade your cycling experience with this comprehensive 8-pack bicycle accessories set, designed to cover all your essential needs for safety, convenience, and comfort. This versatile kit includes a USB rechargeable bike light set to keep you visible in low light conditions, a durable aluminum bicycle bell for alerting pedestrians and other riders, and a bike pump to ensure your tires are always properly inflated. For added convenience, the set comes with a bike water bottle holder to stay hydrated on long rides and a bicycle bag for storing personal items, tools, or snacks. Each accessory is carefully crafted for durability and ease of use, making this kit perfect for city commuting, recreational rides, or weekend adventures. With all 8 essentials in one package, this 8-pack bicycle accessories set is the ultimate companion for every cyclist seeking safety, practicality, and style. Product 14. Product name Geo Small Bike Tire Pump Schrader. The Geo Small Bike Tire Pump Schrader is a compact and durable solution for maintaining optimal tire pressure on your MTB or road bike. Designed to work seamlessly with both Schrader and Prester valves, this mini pump reaches up to 80 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of bicycles. Featuring a telescopic barrel and all-metal CNC construction, it ensures precision, reliability, and long-lasting performance. The pump also incorporates a secure valve lock for effortless and stable pumping, preventing air leaks during use. Its portable design makes it ideal for on-the-go cyclists, fitting easily into backpacks or bike mounts. Proudly made in Taiwan, the Geo GM043 combines quality engineering with convenience, providing a dependable inflation tool for every rider. Product 15. Product name Men's 3D Padded Bike Shorts. Baliaf Men's 3D Padded Bike Shorts are designed for cyclists seeking maximum comfort and performance on long rides. Engineered with a 3D anatomical chamois, these shorts provide targeted padding to reduce pressure and minimize friction during intense cycling sessions. Made from breathable, moisture-wicking fabric, they keep you dry and comfortable while enhancing flexibility and freedom of movement. The MTB liner construction ensures a snug, supportive fit, while flat-lock seams prevent chafing, making these shorts ideal for both road cycling and mountain biking. Lightweight, durable, and ergonomically designed, Baliaf's 3D padded bike shorts are a must-have for serious riders who prioritize comfort and endurance. Product 16. Product name IGPSPORT SR Mini Radar Bike Tail Light. Key features and specs. It combines a rear bike tail light with a radar sensor. The radar detects vehicles approaching from behind up to 160 m. Light modes, multiple modes including solid, pulse, day flash, night flash, and a radar-only mode. Battery life, manufacturer claims up to 20 hours in light mode, up to 25 hours in single radar mode. LD and dimensions, 77 x 37 by 19 mm, weight around 50 g. Visibility and durability, 220 degrees visibility angle, IPX7 waterproof rating, according to one review. Connectivity, supports ANT Plus and Bluetooth protocols, so it can integrate with compatible bike computers or smartphone apps. Smart features, built-in deceleration, brake sensor triggers a high-intensity flashing mode when braking.